Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can download VMware Workstation Pro for free. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to open a browser and search for Broadcom. So Broadcom, then just go to www.broadcom.com. Once you get to the site, on the top right you'll see where it says support portal. Click on the down arrow, click on register. Now you'll need to register for a new account. You'll need an email address, and then you'll need to set up a password. You'll need this information when you go to download the software. Okay, so go ahead and put in your email address here. So I'll go ahead and put my email address and then verify the text here. And then click on next. Now you'll need to go to your email address and retrieve the verification code that's going to be sent to that email address you used to register. So this is my code here. Just gonna copy and paste. Then click on verify and continue. Here you need to input your name, first name, last name. So just put some name here. Select the country, job title, then set up your password. And it has to be a strong password. Verify the password. Click accept. Create account. Okay, now you have your account. Once you have your account created, so I'll provide a link in my description that you need to use that will take you straight to the page where you can do the download. So you'll need to paste the link or click on the link. Okay, once you get to this page, just put in the email that's going to be your user. Okay, click sign in. Close. Okay, so if you don't get to the download page, you can paste the link again that takes you to the download page. So this link requires you to be signed in when you use it. So let's repaste it, and now it's taking me to the downloads options here. So the first one, when we used it, it took us to the login page, and then when we reuse that link, now it takes us to the software download options here. Now you can download the latest option. So to download, you need to click on this arrow and then select the latest release. Now if you try to agree to the terms, you see it's grayed out. You have to click on terms and conditions and then go back. Just close this. Go back to this page. Now you can click on it. Okay, now let's try and see if we can download. This is the download link. Click on this. So you might get this pop-up that says additional verification is required. So click yes. So here you'll need to input your information again. Address, you can just put some random information here. And then click submit. Once you click submit, it will bring you back to this page again, and now you should be able to download. Now if I click on this, you can see that I'm able to download the software. Okay, and this should download by default to your downloads folder. That's it. I'll open File Explorer, and there it is. So that's the latest version. Okay, that's all for this video. That's how you can download VMware Workstation Pro for free. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.